Yes, in the previous stanza, we discussed about Mr. Quen's stories, which was the favorite story of Agatha Christie. Now, the question is, who was Mr. Quin? Mr. Quin was a fictional character created by Agatha Christie. It is not given in the book. I am telling you from my side that Mr. Quin was a fictional character created by Agatha Christie in the most popular story collection named as Harley Quinn. And what was the role of Mr. Quinn in that story? Mr. Quinn helped his friend Satterwit. Satterwit was his friend and he helped him to solve the criminal cases using his extraordinary skills and powerful instinct. Okay, in the next paragraph, the author also described a book of short stories called Partners in Crime. She has also written a book of short stories on partners in crime. Each story here was written in the manner of some particular detective of the time. Some of them by now I cannot even recognize. Partners in crime featured in it my two young sleuths. Sleuth means here detective. So basically, she told you in the beginning she had mentioned also that she was a good detective story writer. So basically, she created detectives. So part in the this book of short story Partners in Crime, she created two detectives by the name of Tommy and Tuppence, who had been the principal character in her second book, The Secret Advisory. It was fun to get back to them for a change. Then she discussed about her another publication, Murder at the Vicarage. It was published in 1930, but I cannot remember where, when, or how I wrote it, why I came to write it, or even what suggested to me that I should select a new character, Miss Marple, to act as a sleuth in the story. Sleuth is again a detective here. She said she had written Murder at the Vicarage. There she had created a new character, Miss Maple. Miss Maple is also playing the role of a detective, and she don't know why she had written this book. Okay, why she had written this story. Yes. In the previous stanza, the author described about the book Murder at the Vicarage, where she created a new character, Miss Marple, which was playing the role of detective in the story. Now, after that, she said, certainly at that time, I had no intention of continuing her as she was to become a rival of Hercule Poirot. Now, Hercule Poirot was another fictional character created by Agatha Christie, which was also playing the role of detective. And she said, I was not sure, and I don't even think that Miss Marple will become the competitive rival of Hercule Poirot, as both were playing the role of detective. Okay, so I hope in these stanza the author is describing her publications, her stories, where she has created new character. In the previous stanza we discussed about Mr. Quinn. Remember, then here she discussed about Miss Marple, which played the role of detective in which story Murder at the Vicarage, which was the competitive rival for Hercule Poirot, which was also playing the role of detective in many novels, plays, and 50 more than 50 short stories. Hercule Poirot was playing the role of detective in. He was also famous detective in most of her stories and novels. Now, after that, people write to her nowadays. At that time, people wrote her that Miss Marple and Hercule Poirot should meet. But why should they? I am sure they would not enjoy it at all. At that time, when she was writing the short stories, people used to write her that Miss Marple and Hercule Poirot should meet together. But she said, why? Why should they meet? I am sure they would not enjoy meeting together. Hercule Poirot, the complete egoist, would not like being taught his business by an elderly spinster lady. He was a professional sleuth. Sleuth, I am repeating again here, sleuth means detective. He was a professional sleuth who Hercule Poirot. He would not be at home at all in Miss Marple's world. She said Miss people wanted that Miss Marple and Hercule Poirot should meet, but the author don't did not. Yes, in the last stanza, people wanted that Miss Marple and Hercule Poirot should meet together, but the author did not want them to meet. Why? She thought that they would not enjoy each other's company, because they were both playing the role of detective and also competitors, okay, and they both are stars. And Hercule Poirot, according to her creation, was a professional detective and egoist man. And on the other hand, Miss Marple was a lady. Okay, so a man could not see ladies stand before him as a competitor. Okay, so she said, according to the Agatha Christie, both are stars in their own world, right? Both are stars in their own world. Both are stars in their own world, and she won't she did not want them to meet unless she feel a sudden and an unexpected urge to do so. So in the end, Agatha Christie states that she don't want Miss Marple and Hercule Poirot to meet together unless and until there is an need to do so. Okay, so I hope you like the story about Agatha Christie. I know it's little bit historical, but it's interesting also. So read this chapter. I am sending you the text, and note the question answers and word meaning in your fair notebook in a neat and clean handwriting. Thank you and take care.